AI is not replacing everyone. It is replacing people who stay static. And if you're watching this thinking, my job is safe, you need to hear what's coming. Every week, a new headline. AI will eliminate 300 million jobs. ChatGPT replaces coders. Robots take over customer service. And people share these without reading past the headline.
Here's why panic sells. Fear gets clicks. Nuance doesn't. A headline saying, AI will automate 30% of tasks in some roles over 5 years doesn't go viral. But AI kills jobs does. The reality is more boring and more useful. AI is a tool, like Excel was, like the internet was. It changes how work is done, not whether work exists.
Let's be honest about what is being affected. Roles that are purely repetitive execution are shrinking. Data entry, basic content writing, template-based design, first-level customer support scripts.
If your job can be described as take input A, apply rule B, produce output C, with no judgment needed, that's automatable. Not tomorrow, but the trend is clear.
Call centers already automate 40% of basic queries. Junior copywriting roles at agencies are consolidating. Bookkeeping for small businesses is increasingly handled by AI tools. But here's what people miss. The jobs aren't disappearing, they're transforming. The call center agent becomes an escalation specialist. The copywriter becomes a content strategist. The role evolves. Now, let's talk about the other side. What's actually growing, and growing fast. AI operations. Someone needs to manage these AI systems, train them, monitor them, fix them when they hallucinate. Companies are hiring AI ops roles that didn't exist 18 months ago. Workflow automation designers. Not coding, but mapping business processes and designing how AI fits in. This is part systems thinking, part business logic, and it pays well. AI quality assurance and compliance. Governments are regulating AI. Someone needs to audit these systems for bias, accuracy, and legal compliance. This market is exploding. Let me give you 3 real examples. A freelance graphic designer I know was panicking about Midjourney. Now she uses AI to generate 10 concepts in minutes, then refines the best one. Her output tripled. Her clients pay more. A small accounting firm automated 60% of their bookkeeping. Did they fire everyone? No. They took on 3x more clients with the same team. Revenue doubled. A customer service team at a SaaS company uses AI for Tier 1 responses. Their human agents now only handle complex cases. Job satisfaction went up. Attrition went down. Myth number 1. Automation means no jobs. Fact, every major automation wave in history created more jobs than it destroyed. The ATM was supposed to kill bank tellers. Banks hired more tellers after ATMs because branches became cheaper to run. Myth number 2. AI will replace all white-collar work. Fact, AI is bad at ambiguity, politics, creative judgment, and building trust. Those are the core of most white-collar roles. Myth number 3. You need to learn to code to survive. Fact, the most valuable skill is knowing your domain deeply and understanding where AI adds value. A nurse who understands AI-assisted diagnostics is more valuable than a coder who doesn't understand healthcare. Here are 3 skills that will keep you relevant in 2026 and beyond. Number 1, domain expertise plus. Be deeply good at your field. Then learn to apply AI tools within that field.
A marketing expert who can prompt AI is worth more than a generalist who knows every tool but no industry.
Number 2, systems thinking. Understand how pieces connect. AI can optimize one step. Humans see the whole chain. If you can map a workflow and spot where AI fits, you're invaluable.
Number 3, communication and judgment. The ability to explain complex decisions to stakeholders, to make calls when data is ambiguous, to build trust. AI can't do this, and it won't for a long time. Don't compete with AI on speed. Compete on judgment. Don't panic about what's shrinking. Position yourself in what's growing.
If this was useful, share it with someone who's anxious about AI and jobs. Drop a comment with your industry, and I'll tell you what I think the AI impact will be. See you at the next one.